Having an online savings account with a great rate is fantastic, but what happens when you actually need to move that money? If you're a BrioDirect customer, you might be wondering, what's the best way to transfer money out of my account? It's a common question, and thankfully, as a modern digital bank, BrioDirect offers a few straightforward ways to move your funds. Let's break down exactly how you can transfer your money quickly and securely, covering the how-to, the limits, and what you need to know. The primary method for transferring money from your BrioDirect account to another bank is through their external transfers feature. This uses the Automated Clearinghouse, or ACH, network, the standard, secure way banks move money between institutions. Here's the simple process. First, link your external account. You'll need the routing and account number for the external bank account you want to send the money to. Log into your BrioDirect online banking platform or the mobile app. Navigate to the Transfers or External Accounts section. Follow the prompts to add and verify your external account. This verification process typically involves BrioDirect sending 1 or 2 small trial deposits, pennies, usually, to the external account. You'll need to confirm the amounts of these deposits back on the BrioDirect site to prove you own the account. Once verified, you're ready to transfer. Second, initiate the transfer. Go back to the Transfers section. Select your BrioDirect account as the source and your newly linked external account as the destination. Enter the amount you wish to transfer and confirm the details. Now, a crucial point about ACH transfers is the limits and speed. BrioDirect generally has standard outbound transfer limits. Right now, clients are typically eligible for standard outbound transfers up to $25,000 per transfer, completed within 3 business days. There's also a typical monthly limit of around $100,000 for outbound transactions. If you need to move a larger amount, you may be eligible to do so by calling their customer service line for assistance. If you need your money to move faster than the standard 3-day ACH window, your second option is a wire transfer. For a wire transfer, you will usually need to call the BrioDirect contact center. Wire transfers are the fastest way to move money, often same day, but be aware that banks usually charge a fee for outbound wire transfers, so be sure to ask BrioDirect about any associated costs before you proceed. In summary, for most transfers under the standard limit, the online external transfer is your simplest, free option. For large amounts or same-day speed, call customer service for a wire transfer. Either way, transferring your money out of BrioDirect is designed to be a clear and manageable process. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.